Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to talk about factors affecting growth and colonization of bacteria. So let's start our topic with introduction. Bacterial growth and colonization are essential processes that allow bacteria to survive, multiply and establish themselves in various environments, including the human body. Growth refers to increase in bacterial cells number, while colonization is the ability of bacteria to persist and multiply at a particular site in the host or environment. These processes are influenced by multiple physical, chemical, biological, and host related factors. Understanding these factors is important for controlling infection, preventing disease, and promoting beneficial microbial flora. First, there are nutritional factors, as nutrition play a crucial role in bacterial growth and colonization. Bacteria require a constant supply of essential nutrients to carry out metabolic activities and reproduce. Carbon is the primary structural component of bacterial cell and is required for energy production. Nitrogen is essential for synthesis of protein and nucleic acid, and there are other important nutrients that include sulfur, phosphorus, iron, and trace elements such as magnesium and calcium. Vitamin and growth factors may also be required by certain bacteria, and a deficiency or excess of these nutrients can limit bacterial growth and colonization. Physical factors. Physical condition of environment greatly influence bacterial survival and multiplication. First is temperature. Each bacterial species has an optimum temperature range for growth. Most human pathogens grow best at body temperature, and temperature below or above the optimum can slow or growth or kill bacteria. Second is pH. Bacteria have specific pH ranges in which they grow best. Most prefer neutral pH while some thrive in acidic or alkaline environments. Changes in pH can affect enzyme activity and membrane stability, influencing colonization. Third physical factor is moisture and water availability. Water is essential for bacterial metabolic processes. Dry environment inhibit bacterial growth, whereas moist environments support colonization, especially on mucosal surfaces. The fourth physical factor is oxygen availability. Based on oxygen requirement, bacteria may be aerobic, anaerobic, facultative, anaerobic, or microaerophilic. The presence or absence of oxygen at a site determines which bacteria can colonize and grow. Then there are chemical factors, as chemical substances in environment or host can promote or inhibit bacterial growth. Disinfectant, antiseptics, antibiotics, and toxic substances can inhibit or kill bacteria. Conversely, certain ions and organic compounds may enhance bacterial growth, and in the human body, bile salts, fatty acids, and enzymes can inhibit bacterial colonization in specific sites. Then there are biological factors, as interaction with other microorganisms play an important role in bacterial colonization. Normal flora competes with pathogenic bacteria for nutrients and attachment sites, thereby preventing colonization by harmful organisms. This phenomenon is known as microbial antagonism. Some bacteria produce bacteriocins that inhibit the growth of competing species. Disruption of normal flora, such as antibiotic use, can allow pathogenic bacteria to colonize and multiply. Then there are host factors, as host related factors are critical in determining whether bacteria can successfully colonize and grow. They include host immunity, as immune system play a major role in controlling bacterial colonization. Innate defenses such as skin, mucous membrane, phagocytic cell, and antimicrobial substances inhibit bacterial growth. Adaptive immunity, including antibodies and cell-mediated responses, further limit colonization. Second host factor is age and health status, as infant, elderly individuals, and immunocompromised patients are more susceptible to bacterial colonization and infection due to weaker immune defenses. Third host factor is genetic factors, as genetic difference among hosts can influence susceptibility to bacterial colonization. Variation in cell surface septum may determine whether bacteria can adhere and colonize. Adhesion and attachment factors. Colonization begins when the bacteria attach to the host surfaces. Bacteria possess specific structures such as villi, fimbriae, and surface protein that help them adhere to host tissues. Without effective adhesion, bacteria are removed by physical forces like cuffing, urination, or intestinal movements. Environmental conditions at colonization site. The local environment at colonization site strongly affects bacterial growth. Availability of nutrients, oxygen tension, pH, and presence of antimicrobial substances vary between different body sites such as skin, gut, respiratory tract, and urinary tract. Only bacteria adapted to those specific conditions can successfully colonize. Then there is biofilm formation, as biofilms are community of bacteria embedded in self-produced extracellular matrix. Biofilm formation enhances bacterial colonization by protecting bacteria from environmental stress, immune responses, and antibiotics. Biofilms are commonly associated with chronic infection and medical devices. Influence of antibiotics and medical intervention. Antibiotics use alter bacterial growth and colonization pattern. While antibiotics eliminate susceptible bacteria, resistant organisms may survive and colonize. Medical procedures such as catheterization and surgery can also provide new surfaces for bacterial attachment and colonization. Conclusion of this lecture video. Bacterial growth and colonization are complex processes influenced by nutrition availability, physical and chemical condition, biological interaction, and host-related factors. Successful colonization depends on the ability of bacteria to adapt to environmental conditions, adhere to surfaces, and evade host defenses. Understanding these factors is essential for preventing infection, managing bacterial diseases, and maintaining a healthy microbial balance. And this was all about this, and hopefully you like the video. If you do, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for watching.